It's about to go down.
Gonna learn today.
30305. Used to roll around up in a 1996 Nissan. 1996 Nissan. Bought it from an A-Rap. Got robbed 3 months later on some dumb shit. 19 stunting on these niggas like a rush shit. I was trying to get it. Every single morning took the bus and hit the studio. My nigga, I was living on a mission. Thought I was the greatest. Every minute I would say I need a record deal. A nigga stay wishing. Homie yelling, all you do is rap, rap, rap. Seems like you don't even wanna listen. Chill with it, you just gotta deal with it. Can't stop a nigga when you know we got a vision. 16s, all I got is 16s. Rap about it, homie, you can get up on a big screen. $1 million budgets in abundance. Know you got a chance if you keep it in 100. Oh man, oh man, oh man, so true. Couldn't be any more true. I just gotta do what I do. Pray shit'll go according to the plans I choose. Everybody know what's best for the boy. All I get is suggestions. Pardon me, but I ain't ask no questions. Got no time for the half-ass lessons. Either bring it to the table or get to stepping. Lyrics on deck, I don't need no weapons. Still standing as a king, I don't see no peasants. 24 freestyle. Any rapping ass nigga, only how much getting paid is to the OG legends, huh?
Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker.
What? Sue a nigga, ain't been threatened by an hour since I heard food and liquor. It's VMG till I DIE. How does everybody hate a question about on who deliver? You the journal ass niggas. Back when I was dead broke, fuck me and talk about. Homie still dead broke. I ain't have a